Today, we'll be solving LeetCode 200, number of islands. We start by defining a function called number islands that takes in the grid. Inside, we first check if the grid is empty by saying if not grid, then return 0. This is just a quick check to handle an edge case. Next, we get the number of rows and columns by saying rows equals length of grid and cols equals length of grid at 0. These will help us navigate the grid. We then define a helper function called DFS that takes two arguments, R and C, representing the current row and column. Inside DFS, the first thing we do is check if R is less than 0 or C is less than 0 or R is greater than or equal to rows or C is greater than or equal to cols or if grid at R and C is equal to the string 0. If any of these are true, we return immediately because it means we are either outside the grid or we hit water or already visited land. If we pass those checks, we mark the current land as visited by setting grid at R and C equal to the string 0. Then, we call DFS on R -1, C to go up, DFS on R +1, C to go down, DFS on R, C -1 to go left, and DFS on R, C +1 to go right. This explores the entire island connected to our starting point. Back in the main function, we create a variable called number_islands and set it to 0. Then, we loop through every row using for R in range of rows, and inside that, we loop through every column using for C in range of cols. If grid at R and C is equal to the string 1, we know we found a new island, so we increase number_islands by 1 and then call DFS with R and C to mark the whole island as visited. Finally, after scanning the entire grid, we return number_islands, which now holds the total number of islands.